Alright guys, we're charged up. Moving down the road, I see my side stand light doesn't go out. I think I remember that. Put down my visor here. Alright, so far the front vibration seems to have gone away. It's not nearly as bad as I thought it was before. What can I tell you? She seems to be riding good. Like I said, steering is on point. I feel like the vibration is what I tried to get rid of with that whole thing, replacing the steering bearing, but steering is dynamite. I'm really happy with that. Somehow I doubt the axle was bent. I bet you my bolt was too tight. I mean, right now, I can't say that it's vibrating any worse than I would expect. Does that sound bad? I mean, maybe I should put a tire on and see if I can see what a new tire would do for me. But it's not vibrating bad at all. I mean, a little bit, I guess. But I feel like it's fine. Like, it's a motorcycle. And the roads around here are a little bit dippy anyway. Like, you can see a vibration on here. But if I hold it steady, it doesn't seem to affect the handling, which is probably good. Wrecked 97 Magna. I feel like what we have here is pretty well good to go. The Vanson Hines pipes do sound amazing. I always rave about those. Like, if I take my hands off, it does seem like there's a little bit of vibration, which I wonder if we could get it completely gone. But other than that, everything else seems to be functioning 100%. Maybe the wheel's off balance, maybe the tire needs, you know, I don't know. But for real, just feels really, really nice. And it's a nice little ride back around here. I did get a new clutch cable, so that needs to go on. Clutch is working fine, but it's not going to always work fine the way it is. Turn signals are working. Oh, the rear turn signal on the left decided it wasn't going to work. So I'll have to check that. But this thing feels great. It might benefit from a new chain. I feel like that might make it a little smoother. Maybe I'll have my my friends up at Siegfried's go through it and see what they think. She feels pretty solid to me. I'll connect that side stand light. I'll look at that when this was wrecked, I think they kind of ripped that apart, so something's not making connection unless it's down, and it's not. Alright, so new cable for the clutch would be good. Don't wear shorts. Don't wear shorts. The pipes will burn you. She's really doing pretty great. You can clutchless shift on these bikes. They're pretty easy to handle. Yeah, I feel like this thing has come a long way. I do kind of feel like it could benefit from a new chain. I think I gotta look in my van. I think I had a new chain, new sprockets I was gonna put on something. Maybe this bike gets it. I don't know. I'm not afraid to ride it this way, I guess is what I'm saying. Maybe it does need a new tire. I'm not counting that out. This tire's kind of old. Let's see. First gear. I don't really want to be in first gear. Second gear will do it. Comfy little bike. Sounds good, runs good. Maybe this will go into rotation as a rider. I'll have to see how much I spent for those that new chain and sprockets. See if I want to put that kind of money into this one. Oh yeah, I forgot it only has 5 gears. That's fine. Fourth gear. Let's check if it has a horn in a minute. Yep. Alright. These V4 Honda Magnas are fast. You think it's only a 750 and you've ridden a Shadow before. Yeah. You'd be surprised if you jump on these V4s. Got about 70 or 80 horsepower in there. Changes it up a little bit from like the 60 horsepower. Alright, test ride. I'm actually cool with this. Brakes are working good. This has a drum in the back and a left disc, one-sided. Yeah, I think we got rid of most of that vibration. I'd be curious for someone who knows what they're looking at to say, hey, this is the rest of your problem. You need a tire, or your tire's off balance or something. It's quite possible. I guess I could grab a wheel off another one and see if it's still that way. But I wanted to see if the axle was the issue. And to be quite honest, I think it was just the axle was too tight. Slow down for the roundabout. Don't want to get run over by a car. See if this guy pops out here. Yep. Okay. Downshift, take off. Whoa! I bet I could get the front tire off the ground with this thing. I didn't know that. Hey, Magnas they're not a joke. Magnas ain't no joke. Alright folks, well, I'd say this is a successful test drive. Most of the vibration is gone. I'd say maybe throw a new tire on it. Maybe I'll swap a wheel from a different one. But I like what I got here. It's a comfortable cruiser. Pretty fast if you want to push it. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Maybe it'll be on this bike, maybe a different bike. But I'm happy with what we got. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Adios. Get out and ride.